Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to first of all subscribe our channel. And today the monsoon and festive sale is going on, in which 80% discount is there if you purchase any JAIIB and CAIIB product. And class, this is the only time in which you have to totally dedicate it toward your studies. Very few days are left. Okay, so if you want to crack your JAIIB exam in the single and a first attempt, so this is the only way in which you can crack your exam. So if you want to take the latest batch of JAIIB in the English medium, so you have to use the code Y391, and in this batch there is a simple live classes are there in which you can see the session anytime, anywhere, because the live classes will be available into your account within 24 hours, and it will be available for 6 months. So 6 months the recorded session will be available. And this paid batch also include the test series of each subject and the ebooks for your one-liner revision. Okay, and there's also discount of the test series 22%, and for test series you have to use the code Y391S. Okay, there is a 50 plus test pack for the AFB, PPB and LRB subject. And this is the batch class, but this batch is in the bilingual language. But what I want to say you that whatever the question that we will highlight in this bilingual language, that should be in English language. Okay, so if you want to purchase this bilingual batch of 3000 plus MCQ series, so you can easily purchase this. Why? Because the question will be in English medium, so at least you will get 1000 plus question of each subject. Plus we will also do the previous year question plus 600 case studies questions will be there. So if you want to enroll, simply you have to use the code, that is Y391, for the maximum discount in this batch. Okay, now let's start with the series. Today we have to start the Sarfaesi Act and tax law. And a very good evening to all of you. Now let's start with the question. In which of the following cases the constitutional validity of Sarfaesi Act was questioned before the Supreme Court? This is very famous case. Whether it is Manchester Chemical versus ICICI Bank. Second is Manchester Chemical versus Union of India. Third is Madhya Chemical versus Union of India. D is Madhya Chemical versus ICICI Bank, and none of the above is the right answer. This is the case only in which the Sarfaesi Act was come into picture, in which it was held that the section 17 of Sarfaesi Act, that is totally it's a violation of Article 14. Okay, violation of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. So which is the following case? And in this case it was held that suppose if the party want to appeal, so for that appeal they have to deposit 50% of amount. The borrower have to deposit 50% of the amount. Before this one it was 75%, but now 50% amount the borrower have to pay the money, then he can just demand for his security. So for the first one the exact answer is C is the right answer. Okay, kindly please check your answer and try to learn each question and try to write a one word of each question. Okay, now under the provision of Sarfaesi Act class, where a transaction of securitization is registered, registrar of company, registrar of assurance, registrar of firm and registrar of central registry, and none of the above. Which of the following is the right one? Yes class, which of the following is the right one? Under the provision of Sarfaesi Act 2002, a charge on movable property in the favor of secured. It means if we talk about the types of loan, so loan is of two types. The first one is your secured loan and the second one is your unsecured loan. Okay, unsecured. For the secured loan, the registry of the security is taken place. So what it will be called? what it will be called? Second one. The right answer is Registrar of the Central Registry. D is the right answer. Okay. Next. Under the provision of Sarfaesi Act 2002, a charge on movable property in favor of the secured, that is the secured property, without delivery of possession to the creditor, what it will be called? Whether it is mortgage, assignment, pledge, lien, and hypothecation. That is very important. The key point in this question is without. It's a delivery of possession to the creditor. What is the right answer? Third one. And all terms are very, very much important. All terms are important. For third one, the exact answer is hypothecation is the exact one, because in hypothecation, in hypothecation, the property is not transferred to the creditor. Only we have to take the loan from the creditor or the lender. Okay. So that's why for this one, hypothecation is the right answer. Okay. And this hypothecations, the definition is also given under Sarfaesi Act under section 2N. That is also asked sometime. Okay. The definition of the term hypothecation. Okay, cool. Next, what is the time limit within which appeal against the penalties can be made? 90 days from the date on which such order was passed, 30 days, same sentence, 120 days, and last one is 60 days from the date on which appeal against the penalty. I think generally for appeal days, there is a fixed days in which we have to appeal in the higher authority. From continuous 2 days in Gurgaon, it's raining. What is the exact time limit for this one? So the exact time limit is basically 30 days from the date on which such order is passed. Okay, the day order is passed, we have to file the appeal within 30 days. Okay, so fourth one, B is the right answer. Next, which court shall try any offence punishable under this act? Which court shall try any offence punishable under this act? No court inferior to that metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate of second class. Second option is no court inferior to that of High Court. C is no court inferior to that of metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate of first class. Last is no court inferior to that of principal junior civil judge and the junior magistrate, judicial magistrate of first class. I think this thing we have already done in the class. We have already done this in our state class. Who have authority? In the Sarfaesi, as we know that the without intervention of the court, we have to solve the matter. But in some cases where there is an invalid or where there is a fraudulent matter, in that case the court have to intervene. So under fifth one, the metropolitan magistrate and judicial magistrate of first class have authority to punish under this act. What are these two? See, if in any area the population is below 10 lakh, then judicial magistrate of first class will solve the dispute. And if it is above 10 lakh rupees, then metropolitan magistrate will solve the dispute. So this is the basic difference between metropolitan magistrate and the judicial magistrate of first class. Okay, so hope so this is clear to all of you. C is the right answer. Next, if a person contravene means inconsist or abates contravention of any provision. Abate means, in Hindi we say kisi ko uksana, to instigate. What is abase? To instigate someone. he shall be punishable. The option are 3 year or fine or both. B is 2 year or fine or both. C is 1 year or fine of 10,000 or both. And the last one is it may extend to 1 year or with fine or both. What is the exact answer of sixth one? Yes. What is the exact answer of sixth one? If a person contravene or evade the contravention of any provision of this act and rule, he shall be punishable with sixth one. For the sixth one, if any person inconsistent with any provision of this act, that is Sarfaesi, it will be imprisonment up to 1 year or fine and both. So D is the right answer for sixth one. D is the right one. Okay. Next. An application under section 5A of the Sarfaesi, don't remember this section, for transfer of application pending before 2 or more DRT, they may file by ARC before what? Before High Court, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, Special Court or Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal. Simply, where we can file the case to DRT to whom? What is the exact answer? That is very simple. The application under section 5A of the Sarfaesi, that is applies basically for the DRAT. So here DRAT is the right answer. Okay, DRAT. Next. What is the time limit within which any person aggrieved by any measure taken by the secured creditor file an application to the DRT? Okay. This person have to file the application to DRT. Then what is the time limit? 8-1. DRT to DRT we have read 30 days. So what is the time limit of X to DRT? The first option is 45 days from the date on which such measure has been taken. Second option is 30 days. C option is 15 days and D option is 60 days. This thing we have already done. And those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel and enroll in the 3000 plus MCQ batch series, in which we are going to start this session from 3rd of October. It's a bilingual, but you can just collect the questions that we will be highlight in this session. So for the 8-1, the exact answer is 45 days is the right answer. Okay, A is the right answer. Next. In the case of appeal by the borrower, what is the amount to be deposited with the appellate tribunal by the borrower? 50%, 40%, 60%, 20% of the amount debt due. Because borrower want to take his security. Right now, borrower want to take his security. Borrower don't want that the creditor will steal my security. So that's why if he want to appeal to the DRT and DRAT, so he have to pay that much of amount. Suppose 15 lakh is there. He have to pay to the creditor. But if that much percentage of amount he will pay, then the DRT and DRT can listen the appeal. So for 9th one, the exact answer is 50% amount due. A is the right answer. Okay. Next. What is the purpose of central registry class? What is the purpose of central registry? Registration of transaction of securitization, reconstruction of financial asset and creation of security interest. It's a storehouse of information relating to securitized asset. registration of information relating to the secured creditor and related borrower, and collection of information related to the securitization cases. That is so simple. 10th one. What is the purpose of central registry? Now the purpose of central registry is also in the area of the KYC. So what is the exact answer of 10th one? And those who are new in this session, if you want to take a particular single batch in which the live classes are there, test series are there, ebooks are there, so that batch is already started from 12th of September. So you are most welcome to join that session. So for the 10th one, the exact answer is A is the right answer. Okay, A is the right answer. Next. Before which for a can an asset reconstruction company can file application for the enforcement of a security. Before which of the following can an asset reconstruction company can file an application for the enforcement of a security interest? It means under whom we have to file the case regarding this one, regarding the enforcement of security interest. That is so simple. DRT, High Court, District Court, and National Company Appellate Tribunal. National Company Law Tribunal. Before which dash can, okay, that is before which an asset reconstruction company file an application for the enforcement of this one. So 11th one, the exact answer is DRT. Only DRT is the only way in which we can file the case. Next. Which of the following is not a public financial institution? We can take the money from the public financial institution and from the bank. So whether it is NABARD, second is LIC, C is State Financial Corporation, and D is Axis Limited Bank. What is the exact answer? Axis Bank Limited. So here for the 12th one, the answer is very easy. Axis Bank Limited is not a public financial institution. This is a private one. Okay, so D is the right answer. Next. Okay. Describe the status of the person. Okay. Individual, Hindu, undivided family, firm, and the company. What is the fact? X and Y are the legal heir of Z. Okay. Z died in 2014. X and Y carry on his business without entering into the partnership. Whether it is firm, what is the status of that XY? LLP, company, and the body of individual. 13.1. It's a case study type question. X and Y are the legal heir of Z. Z died in 2014. Now X and Y carry his business without entering into a partnership. If there is a no partnership, so that cannot be this. The exact answer will be D is the right answer, body of individual, because there is a no business. If no business is there, it cannot be partnership, it cannot be LLP. Okay, so that's why D is the right answer here. Next, assessment year can be the period of only more than 12 months, 12 months and less than 12 months, only 12 months, 12 months and more than 12 months. What is the exact answer? Assessment year can be the period of, there is a financial year, calendar year, assessment year, so much. What is the exact answer? What is the particular month for the assessment year? More than 12 months, less than 12 months, only 12 months, what? So here the exact answer is, it is only for the 12th month assessment year. Okay, now the last one. Income includes what? Profit and gain, profit in lieu of salary, income from the other sources, and all of the above. 15.1. What is the exact answer? And if you are new in this session and if you want to take a batch which is already going on, and that is the last foundation batch, so you can enroll in the batch. You can. So here 15.1, the exact answer is D is the right answer. So this is the class bilingual batch. If you want to see the what we can brought in this batch, so you can see this. And class, if you have any doubt, please you can just write in the comment box. Click on all courses JIIB, CAIIB. Click on this bilingual. Okay, if you click on this bilingual, this is the 3000 MCQ batch. If you click on 3000 MCQ batch, because why I'm saying you, because you know the discount is going on in this batch. See, the live classes will there in which we will solve the questions. 189 test series, 94 recorded videos of concept, and 216 ebooks. So I think that is also sufficient to crack your exam. I'm not saying that you need or required 1 year, 6 months. No. If you focus on the one batch now, that is sufficient to crack your exam. So if I show you the actual price, click on view offer, then put the coupon code here Y391, only Y391. If you click on apply, you can see the discount 80%. And if you want 1% more discount in the mobile, you have to download the app. If you download the app, put the coupon code Y391, same, and there will be coins in the mobile. If you click on coins, then 21% more discount will be there. Okay, 1% more discount will be there in this batch. So click on continue. You have to write your name, phone number, email, and then you can pay the payment. The amount is very nominal. So if you want to click on this, you can use the code Y391. And if you are there, if you want to purchase the JAIIB ka Maha Pack and CAIIB ka Maha Pack, so this is also the way. JAIIB CAIIB ka Maha Pack, it include everything, even this November session batch also, and new syllabus of 2023 also. So if you want JAIIB ka Maha Pack, it means no need to purchase any other extra thing. So JAIIB CAIIB ka Maha Pack contains everything. So click on this Y391, click on apply. You can see 10,199 for 1 year. So you can easily purchase this batch also. So that's all for today's class. If you have any doubt regarding this session, please write in the comment box. And whatever question I'm giving you here, that questions are very, very much important. And if it's a request to all of you to see all the question from class 1. That is so much important. Okay. Thank you so much for attending the session.